We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide you with a comprehensive look at the MUID Benson Lying Flat Duck Nightlight, an LED squishy duck lamp designed to be both a practical nightlight and an entertaining toy. This product has gained significant popularity, particularly among parents and gift buyers, due to its unique combination of functionality, safety, and playful design. The lamp features a cute duck shape made from high-quality food-grade silicone that is BPA-free, water-resistant, and drop-resistant, making it safe and durable for children. Its soft, squishy texture allows it to be kneaded and squeezed without damage, which adds a tactile element that many users find comforting and fun. The nightlight offers 3 brightness levels controlled by tapping the top of the duck, allowing users to adjust from a weak, medium, to a strong light, and then turn it off with an additional tap. This touch control is intuitive and responsive, making it easy to use even in the dark. The light source is a warm 3000K LED that produces a soft glow designed to promote drowsiness without flickering or causing eye strain. This makes it ideal for nurseries, bedrooms, and even offices where a gentle light is preferred. Additionally, the lamp includes a 30-minute timer option, which is convenient for those who want the light to automatically turn off after a short period. Charging the lamp is straightforward via a USB-C port, and it comes with a charging cable but not a plug block. Users report that the charging port requires a firm push to engage properly, indicated by a red light during charging and a green light when fully charged. The lamp is cordless and powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, allowing for portability and ease of use without the hassle of cords. The battery life is praised for lasting a long time on a single charge, which is beneficial for overnight use or camping. Beyond its primary function as a nightlight, the duck's design includes little legs that can serve as a stand for a phone, holding it vertically or horizontally on flat surfaces. This unexpected feature adds practical value for users who want a cute, multifunctional accessory on their bedside table or desk. The lamp's size and weight make it easy to carry around, and its soft silicone body is easy to clean, which is especially useful for parents dealing with sticky or dirty hands. Customer feedback highlights the lamp's appeal to both children and adults. Many users have purchased it as a gift for kids, teens, or friends, praising its adorable appearance and versatility. The duck's face and squishy texture have been described as comforting companions, with some users expressing affection for the lamp as more than just a light source. The warm light is sufficient for reading when positioned correctly, and the 3 brightness settings accommodate various lighting needs. Some users initially expected the duck to be yellow, but found it to be white instead. Despite this, the color difference did not detract from the product's charm or functionality. The seller's customer service has also received positive remarks for proactive communication and support, which enhances the overall buying experience. In terms of cons, there are very few reported. Some mention the need to ensure the USB-C cable is fully engaged for charging, which might require a bit of attention. The absence of a plug block means buyers need to use their own power adapter. However, these minor points do not outweigh the lamp's benefits. Overall, the MUID Benson Lying Flat Duck Nightlight stands out as a delightful blend of cute design, practical features, and child-safe materials. It is an excellent choice for a nursery nightlight, a bedside lamp for breastfeeding, or a fun decorative piece for any room. Its portability, rechargeable battery, and touch controls make it user-friendly and versatile. The lamp's ability to function as both a light and a toy enhances its appeal, making it a unique product in the market. If you have this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel.